Hello everyone, welcome back to Stitch and Kai Creations. In this video, I will show you the correct way to cut the front panel of this professional school bag step by step. So make sure you watch the video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. But before we start, I would like to thank my channel membership. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's get started. So this is the material I will be using to make the children's school bag. I'm using this beautiful clothing material. The reason why I'm using this material is that it was my customer choice. She was even the one that brought the material for me to use for her. So in case you want to make this bag on your own, you can use any leather material of your choice. Now let's get started in making the children's school bag. So I've already cut the full measurement out and also drafted the pattern. The length of the bag is 20 inches, while the wideness of the bag is 13.5 inches. Now I'll be explaining how I draft the pattern out the front of the school bag. From the top to that line I rule out in horizontal. The measurement is 1.5 inches. And from the line of 1.5 inches, I measure 7 inches. And from the line of 7 inches, I measure out 2 inches. And from the line of 2 inches, I measure 8.5 inches out. After that, I come to the side of the bag. The vertical line I rule down, starting from the line of 1.5 inches, the measurement is 1.3 inches. Likewise for the other side, 1.3 inches. And that is how to measure out the front of the bag. Now I will be cuffing the edges of the bag. For cutting the edges of the bag, the measurement is from that side to this line, I measure 3 inches out, and from the side to that line, I measure 4 inches out. So to connect both the measurement together by curving it, you can use anything you like, but for me, I'm using my hand to curve it since it's not my first time. For this side, I supposed to use the first side to curve it, but the reason is that it is a material, so it is very difficult for me to turn it to the other side and use it to shape. So I have to just use my hand to shape the other side also. Now I'll be using the scissors to trim out the curve of the edges of the bag. And this is it after curving the edges of the front of the school bag. You can see the way it look like. Now I'll come to the line of the first pocket to also curve the edges. As you can see, I've curved the edges of the first pocket. And I use my hand to curve it to give it a round shape. But if you don't want to use your hand, you can get anything that you know that you can use to curve edges of the bag to curve it. Then I also come to the line of the last pocket and also curve the edges by repeating the same process. And to cut out the two pockets out, I will be folding the material into two and make sure it rhymes with each other. Then I will take the scissors and come to the line of 7 inches and cut the middle a little bit. After that, I'll spread it out and start cutting it. So you can see after getting to the center point here, I will turn it to the side and continue the cutting. After getting to the middle, I'll come to where I start the cutting and cut the other side also. Now I've cut out the first pocket. It's very good. So I hope you can see the way I did it. Then I will also come to the second pocket and also repeat the same process. I will also fold it into two and come to the line of 8.5 inches and also cut it a little. After that, I will repeat the same process like I did to the first pocket. And that is how to cut out the pockets from the main body. So this is the two pockets I cut out. From the first pocket, I'll get another pocket. From the second pocket, I'll get another pocket. Now I'll be getting another pocket from the first pocket. You can see I've indicated it out. So for the measurement of the third pocket, from the top to that line I rule out, I measure 2 inches. Now I will cut out the line of the third pocket. So I've cut it out. You can see the way it look like, the third pocket. Now I will move to the second pocket to get the fourth pocket out. And the measurement I measure out is 3 inches. Now I will also cut out the fourth pocket. I'm done cutting out the fourth pocket. You can see the way it look like. And this is the way the pockets look like. The first pocket, the second pocket, getting out the third pocket from the fourth pocket, and getting out the fourth pocket from the second pocket. And that is how to cut the front panel of the school bag correctly. In part 2, I will show you how to sew the front panel and attach the zipper neatly. Make sure you watch part 2 so you can complete this bag properly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more detailed bag tutorials. Bye!